This mint right behind me was dying actually. It wasn't doing very, very well. And even though the weather is kind of changing down here, I managed to turn it around. You know how? Just by projecting my awareness, just by talking to it, just by putting my hands about 6 inches above it, and in some cases even further. I was telling it how beautiful it is. I was telling it that I love it. I was telling it that it looks amazing. I was telling it that if anything were to happen to it, I was about to miss it. So you see, these are the wonderful things that you can do to your plants, and look how they respond. And like I said, even though the weather down here is changing, so eventually, it will disappear from here until next year, that is. It doesn't matter. It still bloomed. It still decided to stick around, and it still decided to just respond. And all this is because I simply gave it some love. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Right? It was already turning brown. It wasn't doing too well. And just by being nice to it, just by being kind to it, just by giving loving words to it, just by giving it attention, it responded. I didn't water it. I didn't give it any extra soil. I didn't do anything like that. But yet, here it is, responding. So, my friends, you all have the ability and the capability of doing this, not just with mint, not just with plants. You can do it with pets. You can do it with other humans. You can do it with yourselves. All you have to do is put your attention, and your attention has to be clear. It has to be good. It has to be that of love. It has to be that of kindness. Kindness and love takes us a very, very long way in this beautiful, beautiful world of ours. So, change your focus, change how you perceive things, and magical things will happen. There's no two ways about it. You actually have, if you look around you, you have many, many things that respond to you every day. You are creating them every day. You just haven't realized that it is you that is actually creating them. So, make no mistake, go out there, have fun, project your awareness, be nice to things in general, and watch what happens. Your intention is what counts. What motivates you should be love, actually, because love is what makes everything go round. It's not money, it's love. So, keep that in mind, and you can experiment with something as simple as this yourselves. Find a little pot in the house, a pot of something that is dying, and see how it's going to respond. And even though you have certain things in the back here dying out, it all depends on where you focus your attention on, not on the ones that were not, let's say, useful to you, but the things that are useful to you. Like in this case, the mint. I love it. Of course, I love the other stuff too, but, I was projecting my awareness towards the mint. And you can do this as well. And you don't have to only do it, if you find, let's say, a plant in the house, you can go outside and you can do it with, let's say that, like a batch of mint or whatever the case might be. Try it out. You will totally be amazed at the results. Love and light. No matter what you do, be the greatest you. Bye for now.